So yeah, these pads definitely need replacing. And I've ordered some pads directly from AKG through a supplier of theirs. So we'll give it a go. So yeah, I've just taken care of the first and figured out the process. It's a little bit convoluted, so you need to remove the entire pad, like so. It's a bit of a violent process to tear it right out. And not just that, but also you can see that there's this lining that reaches directly underneath the casing here and holds it on. So you need to get all of that out. And you can see internally there's this ridge all the way around and then a little opening. So in order to put the pad on, the new pad, you need to essentially get that opening to tuck under the lining here and spin it all the way around. And it's a bit of a process. Not too bad, but it's a bit delicate. So you tuck it in essentially like so, do you see? And spin, 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 spin. And initially it's pretty easy, but then once there's some tension, you can see that it doesn't really spin. You have to do it a little bit more delicately. But there we go. That's that. That's the replacement of the AKG K545 pad. Good luck.